So let's go over this watch list today. What day is it today? Today is now it's my birthday. Yeah. All right. So let's go over the top plays for today. So play number one, ABML. Not in any particular order, but ABML has been, just the ticker that has been working the best for me. It's had amazing panics for the last, 3, 4, 5 months. And it had a good green day yesterday. It's gapping up. It could have a second green day here if it has some volume, and obviously if the overall market holds. So ABML is going to be a top watch for sure today. Obviously, I'm just going to look for a panic dip buy on this. The markets aren't that great right now. So that's what I want to see first is panic dip buys so I can stay safe, because trying to hold anything super long right now, especially with the market that's the market's been kind of so up and down, it's pretty risky to try and hold and hope these things run. So looking for panic dip buys on ABML. AOYI, this had news about them doing something with some American electric motorcycles. So they had a nice little run up yesterday. I'll be looking for another I'm looking for another panic dip buy again today with that. As you can tell, it's had, it's a former runner, so this thing could definitely run again. So if we can have a nice panic in the morning, that'd be great. I'd also might play a morning spike if the level 2 is really strong. So that'd be the other thing I'd be looking for there. LTNC, another stock that has been on a tear the last couple of months, especially through February, March. As you can tell, it just had these amazing runs. It's on another run as well. It's definitely way overextended. And I would expect a big panic to come soon. Hopefully not one that's this big, because that was mass panic, which means, getting a dip buy is pretty hard. So we'll see if I can just get like a normal dip, just a normal panic to buy into today. EMZC, this had like a good little morning spike yesterday, kind of choppy. So I'll keep my eyes on this. Hopefully we get a nice panic, kind of like it had the other day. Because the other day it had a nice panic and it ran like, I don't know, it's like 100% or something, which is pretty incredible. BRLL, this had a late day spike, and I will be watching that for a panic as well. Keeping it to the basics, especially in how rough this market is right now. It was a first green day, which is good, and it's been able to run in the past. So that's what I want to look for. I want to see if these past runners can get hot again. It had a nice little sell-off, so maybe this is the bottom, which means maybe you can get some nice upside here. So that's going to be definitely my next move. EYES is probably the hottest NASDAQ stock right now. This thing went from 2 to 20, so pretty freaking incredible. That's
oh shit.
Yeah, it's like 700% of a game right there. Probably more than that at the top, but pretty insane, man. Just out of nowhere, things started going nuts. I'm sure I had some news. I can't remember what it was. Let's see. Yeah, FDA approval looks like. I'd have to go back to the news. But yeah, incredible run. Unfortunately, obviously, I was away from the market, so I didn't get to trade any of this. But this is, at overextension period for me. So I'd be waiting. I would buy a large panic, but NASDAQs are really choppy and they're kind of hard. They're kind of hard to time. So I would wait for a massive panic, or I would short risking the high a day. So it's risky to be short, but with this market that we're in right now, it's the market has been a little more volatile and more down to the downside. So I would not mind shorting this. I do think NASDAQ has this on short sell restriction now. E-Trade. So I don't actually think I'd be able to short it anyway, which is unfortunate. But it is what it is. So. Yeah. So that one.
It's still pretty high overall.
Yep. And that's it for today. So those are the stocks I'm watching today. Keeping it pretty small. I'm not gonna try and have too much on the watch list. So.